Imagine buying a motorcycle, but getting two completely different genres in a single machine. You get a practical scooter for your daily commute and an aggressive sport bike for when you want to push the limits. Meet the Ather Redux, the most radical concept motorcycle currently making waves in the electric vehicle world. Ather recently released a documentary detailing its creation, revealing that this bike literally changes its physical shape while you are riding it. Let us dive into the groundbreaking technology behind this machine. The most unbelievable feature of this motorcycle is called adaptive stance. If you want to cruise around the city, your riding posture remains completely upright, just like a standard scooter. However, the moment you decide to ride aggressively and lean forward, the handlebars, footpegs, and suspension automatically lower themselves. The center of gravity instantly shifts to mimic a dedicated race bike. Beyond the shifting geometry, the materials used are incredibly futuristic. Instead of using standard carbon fiber or heavy plastics, the body is constructed from AmpliTex, a flax-based natural fiber composite that is incredibly strong and highly environmentally friendly. Furthermore, the seat abandons traditional foam entirely, opting for a custom 3D printed polymer lattice structure that intelligently adapts to your body weight and compression. Moving into the cockpit area, the Redux introduces a seamless interface technology called Morph-UI. As you tuck into the sporty riding position, the digital touchscreen dashboard automatically shifts into a minimalist racing layout. It strips away the clutter, displaying only the most critical telemetry so you can keep your focus entirely on the road ahead. Under the sleek bodywork, the Ather Redux is powered by a robust 4-kilowatt electric motor, boasting an estimated range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge. It easily pushes past top speeds of 90 kilometers per hour. To make things even more exciting, it features a dedicated takeoff mode. This acts as a highly intelligent launch control system, delivering maximum instant torque the second you hit the throttle from a standstill. The big question on everyone's mind remains: when can you actually buy one? Unfortunately, as of right now, the Ather Redux is still strictly a concept vehicle. Ather Energy built this breathtaking machine to showcase their future engineering and design capabilities. However, industry insiders suggest that a production-ready version might be finalized by the end of this year, around November 2026. If it does hit the market, it is expected to carry a premium price tag hovering around 3 Indian rupees Lakh in India, which translates to roughly $3,500 US. So, what do you think about this wild design? Is a shape-shifting motorcycle concept like this the true future of the EV industry, or is it just a flashy exhibition gimmick meant to turn heads? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome automotive tech content, and we will see you in the next video.